Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will be able to solve word problems involving ratios. There are many strategies to solve word problems involving ratios. The strategies can be adapted based on information given in the problem, and the unknown quantity has to be found. The strategies we will use are: first, the common factors or the equivalent ratios. The next one is bar model. For example number 1. There are 40 students in the classroom. 15 of them are boys. Find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in the classroom and express the ratio in its simplest form. The given are: there are 40 students in a classroom, and then 15 of them are boys. Now we're going to find out how many are girls. To solve the number of girls, we must subtract the number of boys from the total number of students, and that is 40 minus 15 is equals to 25. This 25 is the number of girls in the classroom. Now, find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls. We know that there are 15 boys and there are 25 girls, and this is the ratio. Now, express the ratio in its simplest form. In finding the simplest form, we will divide 15 and 25 by the common factor. Now, let's find what is common factor of 15 and 25, and that is 5. 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3, and then 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. And we got this answer. The simplest form is 3 to 5. Next, number 2. The ratio of Leia's mass to Bea's mass is 7 to 6. Leia's mass is 42 kilogram. Find Bea's mass. Let's find out what is the given. In the problem, it states that the ratio of Leia's mass to Bea's mass is 7 to 6. And Leia's mass is 42 kilogram. Now, we're going to find out what is Bea's mass. In getting Bea's mass, we can construct a bar model. And here we have Leia, and then in here Bea. To construct bar model, we can have here a rectangular shape, and then we will cut this into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we got 7 equal parts. And we know that Leia's mass is 42 kilogram. And then here, from here to here, that is 42 kilogram. Now, let's do the same to Bea. But Bea's got only 6 units. So we have here 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 units. We don't know how many kilogram is in here. In finding out what is Bea's mass, we should know how many is in 1 unit. We know that in Leia's mass, there are 7 units and it takes up 42 kilogram. So in here, we can divide it by 42 divided by how many units? And that is 7. 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. It means that in every unit, there are 6 kilogram. And that solves our question. In every unit, there are 6. The question is, what is the Beia's mass? Beia's mass is 6 times 6 equals 36 kilogram. That's our problem. Beia's mass is 36 kilogram. Next. Mr. King cut a piece of ribbon into 2 pieces in the ratio of 6 to 5. The length of the shorter piece is 35 centimeter long. Find the length of the original pieces of ribbon. Let's make a space here so that we can have our solving. Okay. Let's find out first what is the given in the problem. Given. Mr. King cut a piece of ribbon into 2 pieces, and that is, the ratio is 6 to 5. The length of the shorter piece is 35 centimeter long, and then this is the shorter piece. Now, the shorter piece is in the ratio of 5. So we can construct a bar model. In here, the longer side has 6 units, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the longer side, and the shorter side has 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that the shorter piece has a length of 35 centimeter. We can find out the length of the original pieces of ribbon by finding out first the centimeter per units of the shorter piece. We know that this is 35 centimeter, and there are 5 units, so we can divide it by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7 centimeter. That means that in every units there are 7 centimeter. 7, 7, 7, 7. That means that in the longer piece there are 7 units by 6. And that is equivalent to 42 centimeter. And then here 35 centimeter. Now we can add this so that we can find the length of the original piece. 42 plus 35 is equals to 77 centimeter. And that solves our problem. The length of the original piece of ribbon is 77 centimeter long. Next, number 4. The ratio of Betty's age to Leia's age is 7 to 11. Betty is 8 years younger than Leia. How old is Betty? Okay, let's find out first what is the given. The ratio of Betty's age to Leia's age is 7 to 11. And Betty is 8 years younger younger to Leah. So this is Betty. Now we can construct a bar model for Betty and Leah. This is for Betty. Betty has 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. And then Leah has 11 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, this is Leah. Leah's bar model. We know that Betty is younger than Leah. That means that this side is 8 years. We can find out the number of per unit by dividing 8 to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units, and that is 2. That means that in every units there are 2. 2 years. 2. That means that Betty is 7 times 2 equals to 14, and Leah is 11 times 2 equals to 22. How old is Betty? How old is Betty? And that is 14 years old. Can we check if Betty is younger than Leah? 22 minus 14 is 8. That solves our problem. That Betty is 8 years younger than Leah. That solves our problem. Next, quiz. Write your answer in the comment section. Number 1. John weighed 65.7 kilogram. If he reduces his weight in the ratio 5 to 4, find his reduced weight. Number 2. Grace had 28 kilogram of rice for sale. She sold 7 kilogram of the rice to a customer. What was the ratio of the mass of the rice sold to the mass of rice left? Number 3. A huge tablecloth is 3 meters wide and 6 meters long. Find the ratio of the length of the tablecloth to its width. And that's all. I hope you learned something in here, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.